Hi everyone. Thank you for joining today's sessions. Please do let me know if my voice is low on your end, so I can increase the sensitivity. All right. Thank you again for joining today's session. So today's session we will be discussing about the digital products, as well as the booking use case. So before we go further, I would like to let you guys know that we actually have on our landing page, which is take.app, there is a templates function where you can see some of our templates related with, thank you for the confirmation, related with the food and beverage, maybe a restaurant use case or grocery use case, or maybe you have your retail business, then you can check this out, and I will put the link on the chat. So in this link you can also check one of those our template on digital products and booking services. One of the example of digital product is this one. If you just click on this one, then it will redirect to this one where you can see our digital course template. Maybe you're selling the digital course like this, that you send the file or you send the link to the users at the end of the day after payment confirmation. You can check this out or even test in the demo store. We will go into that later on. So we will be testing some of the digital product stores and then booking stores. Yeah. The other templates that related with today's topic is like laundry booking form, which is booking use case, or nail salon booking form, which is also booking use case, tours, car rental, cleanings, even hotels. We will not break down all of this one by one, but I will be discussing about the features around bookings itself and the features around the digital products. Okay. Yeah, so like for example, another use case of digital product is like ebook. Most of you might be selling your own ebook, or your digital media. Yeah, so you can take a look at this template. So to break down some of the use case, I will just break down like quickly. Booking use case, you can use it with Take app. You can use like for your salon. Maybe you have your beauty, hair, or nail art salon. Then you can use our form to create some booking form to get the order easily in WhatsApp. Yeah. Maybe your consultation, maybe like therapies, traditional therapies or something like that. You have your product list and price list, but you need to have the like schedule form. You need to know when your client need to have a session with you, the date, the time. You can use this in the booking use case. We will go into that later on. Yeah. And in educations, maybe you have a lot of students, right? You have a lot of students, and then there is a limit on your class that you can take per day. Then you can also limit the class in the daily basis using our features. So maybe only 40 students per day. After 40 enrolled or registered for that day, then you can just quickly close the class for that day. And then laundry booking form, we will go into in-depth later on this as well as an example. And then tour travel booking form, and or car wash or detailing. There is other lot of use case that you can use for booking. Maybe if you can also share what is your business on the in the booking use case, then you can let us know in the chat. Okay. And then another one is the digital product use case. Yeah, most of it being used for ebooks, online course, software, digital media, or digital arts and painting. Most of it require downloadable link. So I will show you how to attach your download link for your products and how the flow is supposed to be on the digital product sellings. Okay. So yeah, we'll go into the main topic, which is the example. Yeah. So one example is this is booking use case. This is this is digital product. Yeah. So for the digital product, let's say you are selling course. You are selling maybe like motion graphic course or 3D graphic course or even understanding take app. Like you can create the product easily from this menu. Like I will show you how. Yeah. So first you need to click add product right here, but I will not create from scratch. I will just use this one as an example. Yeah. You put the product name right here, and then you put the category. If you haven't have any, you just create new category. Yeah. And then put the type, not physical, but digital. If you didn't put it into digital, it will not show this download link. But if you put it into digital, it will show the download link. I will show you. Yeah. If it's physical, it show nothing. The customer, after they purchase, they don't know anything. How can I get the digital product? But if you click digital, it will show the download link and you can attach your download link. Yeah. And then you put the price for the product, you put the image like normally, and then you save. And then what happens is, on the buyer or the customer point of view, you can actually wait. My volume, my voice volume is not good. Maybe can you tell me if I'm okay now? Let me just close my mic. Now probably better, yeah. So you can easily the customer can easily click on the items right here, and then they add the digital product, yeah, and they go to cart and check out. They fill in their name, phone number, and then they simply check out like this. And then let's say they are paying using this payment method, and they already update the payment proof upload and say I have paid. Yeah. And after you confirm the payment, you will get this. Let me just. Send to my own number. This one. They will get this kind of message. Yeah. Understanding take app, and then the total items, the customer name and phone number. You will get this on your WhatsApp, and then they will be able to see the invoice. Okay. Once they see the invoice, they will see confirming payment. Oh, then where is my item? Maybe they will ask that to you. So you can say to them, you are still confirming the payment. And if you already confirm the payment, like you see the orders, yeah, right here, this is the new order. And then, oh yeah, they already paid. Then I change the payment status to paid. And once I change the payment status to paid, it will automatically change the invoice to paid, and then the download link will be visible right here. In this case, I'm using the YouTube link for the course. So if they click on this, they can get access to your course, for full course like this. If you don't want to show it to public, then maybe you can change it to unlisted or private. So only a certain person can access the link. It's totally up to you. But the idea is to let them get the link after you confirm the payment. It will be super straightforward, yeah. So this is the example of the digital product selling. There is another example, like you're selling ebooks, like this one. Yeah, I will show you how. Let's say they are selling ebooks. This ebook. Okay, a lot of ebook you're selling, and you want to send a download link, and you want to let them know if like you will send the download link after they pay. So one trick that you can do is on design checkout, you put a text like this, that the digital product, just add card and then text right here. The digital product or ebook download link will be provided in the invoice, open order, and payment confirmation. So this kind of like confirmation will help your client to understand that, oh yeah, we will send you the ebook link after the customer actually paid. Then how it looks on the client point of view is you click the ebook that you want and then add to cart like normal, checkout. Then you will need to fill in your name, phone number, email if it's like you want to get their emails, and then see the confirmation that the digital product will be provided in the invoice later on, and you go next. And what happens is after you pay, and then same like previous, said I have paid, and then send the order to WhatsApp, yeah, like normal. Sorry. This one I'm sending to myself. Yeah. Now same, like confirming payment, and then you will need to confirm that the payment is already paid. Let's say like this, yeah. Changing payment status to paid. Then they will be able on the see in the invoice that the ebook link has been shown. And when you click, you will easily go to the ebook link. Let's say like this. Then they can download easily. Super easy. And you just need to put the ebook link and per product, and then the customer will be able to check or download the ebook immediately after confirmations. There is questions that I want to let the customer know using workflow, that the ebook has been the payment has been confirmed, the order has been fulfilled, and I want to see the confirmation from workflow. So what you can do is you go to workflow, and then you go to fulfillment, use fulfillment on create workflow, and then notify customer of the download link. This one you need to create. So how to create this is you create workflow and then change to order fulfilled for the trigger, and action you will need to change send email. Sorry, send email to customer, and then the customer will know that the the payment, the order has been fulfilled, and now they can get the link for the download. So this one, if you see the one that I already created, this one is for sending to WhatsApp. You can send to email, you can send to WhatsApp to the customer, but this one is an example to send to WhatsApp. You can put additional note for WhatsApp that the digital product ebook downloading will be provided in the invoice, open order, and payment. Yeah. This one, so once you change, I will show you the order to fulfilled, yeah, right here. Change status, fulfilled, save. Then I will be getting the notifications. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So now I get the notifications from TakeApp, like as a customer, and thank you for your order from your store name, and then the fulfillment status is fulfilled. Now you can check the invoice for the download link. Super easy for you to set up, and the customer will be able to see those links easily as well. Okay, I will stop here for the ebook, or digital products, and we will move on to the booking one. But before that, maybe I will see my okay. Your screen is not showing clear. Oh, let me check. It seems like okay. It seems like quite okay on my end. Does the other user also seeing my screen not clear? Right. Maybe you guys can let me know further if the screen is still not clear. But let me continue on this part. Yeah. So another example, another one is booking use case. For the booking use case, we have a lot that you can work around with. Either you are working around on the product itself like this. This is like the product have different date. Like for example, this one, yeah, physics class. And then you put the variant as the date and month. So you have like specific date and month and quantity right here that you can do. I'll show you how it looks on the setup. So you put the variant like this, and then you can control also the availability. Maybe on 28th November, I only allow like 10 students. Then I can go to bulk edit, and then on the 28th November, I allow 10 students. Then I save. And what happens is right here, yeah, the availability will increase. People will not be able to see how many availability if it's below, if it's above 5, but they will be able to see that 28th November is still available, 7th November is still available, 14th November is still available. So you will get the booking and the timing itself on the orders, and you can see like what is the booking time, and like physics class 28th November, and then you will be able to match with your timetable. This is for classes if you have some students in your area. Maybe you are opening a kindergarten, or maybe like sensory class or something like that you can do this, or maybe mathematics or English class. You can also use the order form to get your customer data. Maybe the parents will fill in the customer data, and then you don't need to go back and forth. We don't have availability on this date, we don't have availability on those dates. They can easily go to your link and add the date that they want and check out. Then they fill in their name, phone number, email, and then how did you get to know our class? Maybe this is optional that you want to know. Let's say like Instagram, yeah. And then you can put these notes also, class confirmation guide. After ordering the lecture, we'll send you confirmation email when you complete the payment. This is almost the same flow like previous one. So to send the confirmation email, you can just go to settings, workflow, and then send email to customer for the class confirmation. you just activate like the workflow like previously I discussed. When payment is successful, like we mentioned, after completing the payment, we will send the email to customer that the class is confirmed for the kids. Yeah. Um, Another use case is something with date picker and time picker. Yeah, that one is the use case that being used the most for booking services. Like for example, laundry service. So we move to laundry service right here. Yeah. So maybe you have your laundry service, and then you have express like in 6 hour and return in 24 hours or maybe return in 48 hours. Yeah, you need to know what kind of service the client want you to take. So you can put the pricing of the service right here. Let's say per kilogram for express is $7, and then the client can also see if there is an optional. Do you need ironing? You can also put this option. Maybe you have another option that do you want it to be dry clean or something like that. Then you can also put the option right here, and let's say yes, yeah, I want ironing. And then you can also include the terms and conditions and some tips on payments. Then you can go to cart, check out, same flow, and you can ask the clients like these important questions that you need to know, like maybe you're opening laundry just beside the hotel, right? And they need to fill in the room number. Let's say hotel A, like room 100 101 or something like that. And then the delivery address, maybe like you pick up at one address but deliver on different address. That can happen, but let's say this is the same, so just put the same. Yeah, then the client will be able to see the terms and condition, like the laundry order, blah 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 blah, and then they will need to agree on the terms and conditions, and then they can choose the pickup date. Let's say I'm staying in the hotel for whole month, but I want to select a like laundry date, not today but the day after tomorrow or something like that. Then I can click the day after tomorrow, the pickup date, and then I just continue, and then cash on delivery, and confirm. Yeah, the order will go to WhatsApp like normally, and it will go right here as well, and we will be able to see the detail of the orders. Like, oh, I got orders for return in 6 hours, and then the pickup date is not today. The pickup date is like 19, like tomorrow, and yeah, that's it. Then at least I need to pick up maybe early in the morning, and then put like the priority for this express service. Yeah, maybe you have your time slot for that, right? Then you can easily go to delivery, yeah, and then change the pickup date schedule by right here, the name, the pickup date that we set previously. You can go down and then change the schedule to date and time slots, yeah, and then add time slot, add time slot, add time slot. Maybe you have 3 time slot, like maybe in the morning, yeah, and then in after lunch, something like that. After dinner, if you have, and you can save. And how they actually look on the checkout itself, it will show now there is a time slot. This is the same, booking like laundry form. Yeah, but at the bottom you can choose the date 19 also and select the time. It's uh, currently it's only show for this one, but yeah, you get the point of it. Like now you can choose the time slot. It's not showing the 7 p.m. because my service hour is until 6 p.m. so it's invalid. But yeah, now you know the date, you know the time, and you can easily manage your booking for this. Right. Uh, I will stop right here as we touched most of the points already. Oh yeah. Do you have suggestion to use for digital links? Yes, we actually discussed previously. Maybe you join after I discuss about it, but I will go back, just quickly refresh. So let's say you are selling ebooks or others. You can go to products, yeah, and then let's say you add product, new product. You can do that, but I will just show you the example from existing product. So you can change the type of the product to be digital, yeah, and then you put the download link right here, and then after you confirm the payment right here, this is the order, yeah, this is the orders, incoming orders, and then you confirm the payment paid and fulfilled. Let's say just paid, then the client on the invoice can download the link easily. Okay, so you don't need to send the link like manually anymore, but you can simply just attach the link on this invoice. It will be super easy for them to get the link every time there is somebody purchasing your products. Yeah, I like the time slot for booking. It's really helpful. Thank you very much. We are improving the time slot function as well. So if you guys have any feedback, maybe you can check with me or with the team on what we can improve on this. All right, I think I cover most of the touch point here. So I will be closing this session right here if there is no other questions. And yeah, hopefully it's useful for those of you who has digital product use case and booking use case in TakeCare. Okay. All right. Thank you everyone for joining today's sessions. Let us meet again in the next session. Bye bye.